Hello folks, Halloween is coming, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make a bloody mocktail. Okay, so let's go with the garnish. Okay, you need to get yourself a can of lychee. Not only we need the syrup, we also definitely need the lychee as well. Next, get some blueberry. Okay, now let me show you how to make the bloody ice ball. So the bloody ice ball looks like this, as you can see down here. Okay, so basically what I did is that, okay, I take out the lychee from the can, okay, and push one of the blueberry, okay, into the lychee. Of course, you need to try to get a small blueberry, okay, and push it through. There you go. In order to make it look like more like bloody ice ball, you need to pour some Grenadine Syrup, okay, over it. Okay, get some toothpick to pierce through, and it should look something like this, the bloody ice ball. Okay, now we are done with the garnish. Next step, we need to show you the ingredient of the drink. We need to have 30 ml of lychee syrup, okay, from the can. Let's get about 30 ml. Okay, as you can see down here, this is a special glass, okay, yep, with a skull inside. I'm not sure whether you can see it clearly. The skull inside. It's a Halloween glass. 30 ml lychee syrup. Okay. Next we have 10 ml of lemon juice. Next, 30 ml of soda water to pack in the sparkling effect. We need to add 10 ml of Grenadine Syrup for the bloody effect. Okay. Oops, sorry. As you can see down here, okay, you need to give it a stir, okay, to make it into a bloody drink. Next, of course, we need to add in the garnish. Double ice ball. And here we are, the bloody lychee soda. Cheers!